I want to find out the definition of shear stress. Now see, there are two plates which are riveted, means they are joined by a riveted joint. When a mechanical component is subjected to two equal and opposite forces that are acting tangentially across the resisting section, then it tends to shear off the cross section. The stress induced at that time in such section is called as the direct shear stress. We have already discussed in the previous slides what is tangential stress. Tangential stress is nothing but the shear stress. If I want to denote it mathematically, then D stands for direct and tau stands for shear stress. So direct shear stress is shear force, that is PS, upon area, that is A. Now what is complementary shear stress? You can see there is a block on which two equal and opposite shear stress are acting. In order to cause an equilibrium to the shear stress which is acting on the plane, there is always a balancing shear stress which is denoted by tau dash, which acts normal to it. This balancing shear stress is called as the complementary shear stress. Next is the shear strain. You can see if a force is applied to this block in this direction, then the plane which was ABCD, due to the application of the force P, has now shifted to A, B, C dash and D dash. So if I consider a cube of length L fixed at the bottom surface, which is A and B, and if this force P is applied tangentially at the face DC, then the result will be the cube will get deformed and the face ABCD will now turn to ABC dash D dash. So the shear strain is the ratio of angular deformation to the original dimension. So the deformation is given by C dash and original length is given by L. So tan phi is equal to C1 divided by L. Now the magnitude of tan is very less, so it is neglected. So finally the shear strain is CC1 divided by L. Just like modulus of elasticity, there is one parameter which is modulus of rigidity. If modulus of elasticity was stress upon strain, then modulus of rigidity is shear stress upon shear strain. We have already seen shear stress is denoted by tau and shear strain is denoted by phi. It is also called as shear modulus and it is denoted by either G, C or N. So finally, mathematically I can write down in this manner. If modulus of elasticity had the units of the direct stress, then modulus of rigidity will also have the units of the shear stress, which is nothing but Newton per mm square. Let us move further. Coefficient of thermal expansion.